Hello, for today's video, I'll be showing you how to post collage on your Instagram story using the new layout feature. Now, let's get started. To begin with, open the Instagram and you can swipe left to make a new story, and on the left side part, choose the layout button. Now, you can choose the grid layout you want to use. You can have 2, 3, 4, 6 images in your collage depending on which grid you select. So, for example, this one. You can snap a new photo by tapping the large circle at the bottom or upload one from your device by tapping the square in the bottom left corner. The grid will be filled in order from left to right or top to bottom. So be mindful of the pictures have taken or added in that order. For example, this one. If you want to delete the last segments you took or added, you can tap the delete button. When you're done adding all the photos to the grid, tap the check mark at the bottom. Now, you can add filters. Then done. You can add also stickers and text. And draw your finished collage if you like. When you're done, go ahead and post it to your story. That's all there is to using the new layout feature for Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we loved it, and don't forget to subscribe and like.